G'day! In today's video I've got a PNY RTX 4060 6 gig model, and this one's just going to get a thermal paste replacement. So I've got some GD900 thermal paste that I'm going to use, and hopefully on most of these basic cards we should just be able to undo a few screws, not too many. I do feel like maybe these two over here. Nothing yet. You also have two screws in the front. There. And I reckon these two here. I got this. Twist. There we go. And flip. We have some thermal paste to replace. So that was an isopropyl alcohol that I just put down. Okay, get a little clean. Oh no, it's getting pushed into the vents. Go. Grab some of this, which weirdly a CPU would require more thermal paste than this little die. I'm used to old AMD gear needing this, or old Intel chips on laptops needing this amount of thermal paste, which is not a lot at all. I feel like the 4000 series was just very forgotten. Granted, myself never really looked much into it. Mainly just kept with the 3000 series. And the 4 was felt like a slight revision of it. Don't know how true that is, but because then you could say the same about the 5000 series. Now if I flip this over, I'm gonna line up the screw holes. There we go. Bingo. Put those screws back into it. Go. And these two screws at the end. Then I'm going to give this a dust blowout afterwards. And a bit of a clean with some Windex, shine it back up, and it'll be ready to go. Anyway, this one's a fairly simple card to replace the thermal paste on with an extremely small die. But that doesn't matter as long as it does what you want it to do. And hopefully some fresh thermal paste will help cool your card down. Anyway, that'll do for today, and see you later. Bye.